कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट। प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या।
परवरी उड्डाण पुलाच्या बांधकामाक लागून थळाव्यांचो विरोध असताना तशेंच कोणाकूच विश्वासात घेनासतना देव खापरेश्वराचे देऊळ म्हणले। मजगती गोंयांत कोळशाची येरादारी सुरळीत जावचे खातीरूय सरकाराचे यत्न सुरू आसात। रेल्वे दोट्टीकरणाक विरोध करपी आड लेगीत गुन्यांव नोंद जातात। गोंयांत कोळसो नाका ह्या मताचेर आपूण ठाम आसा तेन्ना उदरगतीक तेंको दितना राज्याच्या पर्यावरणाचो विचार सरकारान करपाक जाय अशें दक्षिण गोंयचो खासदार कॅप्टन.Viriato संसदेत उलयलो।
And as irony would be, today we are again become slaves of a trade which has come by sea, where the coal is being brought from Australia, and when it comes to the Mormugao Port Trust, which is now Mormugao Port Authority, again the coal has to go to other states like Maharashtra and Karnataka. So they are expanding tracks, they are expanding roads, and in the bargain, the beautiful state of Goa is getting destroyed. To the extent, a few days back, even the iconic, most revered temple of Lord Kapreshwar was demolished by authorities to facilitate this expansion. For what? And people who try to save the temple have been booked. Even yesterday, sir, for facilitating this coal trade, when they were trying to expand the railway tracks, even the sarpanch, a lady sarpanch, has been booked by the authorities. Even the local authorities have become agents of the central agency to suppress.
मजगती जहाज येरादारी संबंधित आशिल्ल्या विधेयकाचेरूय संसदेत चर्चा जाली। वेपार करतना या मार्गावेल्यान आयात आणि निर्यात सुरळीत करपा खातीर तशेंच येवपी आडमेळी पयस करपा खातीर कस्टम खात्याच्या आधुनिकीकरणाचेरूय कॅप्टन.Viriaton भर दिलो। ऐकात।
Some of the related problems plaguing the shipping industry are container shortage, surge in freight rate and shipping cost, shipping delays at the ports, and turnarounds at the ports. Now, some of the major problems are at customs and immigration. Complex documentation, inaccurate or incomplete paperwork, goods misclassification, valuation issues, delays due to strict regulations, potential for corruption, lack of transparency in the process, and difficulties with classifying restricted or prohibited items, often leading to significant delays in import and export shipments. Key points about custom clearance issues in India at the ports are documentation challenges, missing or incorrect information on customs declaration, invoices, and other required documents that can cause delays. Incorrect classifying goods can lead to incorrect duty calculations and clearance issues. Valuation disputes. Disputes over the assessed value of imported goods can lead to delays and additional charges. Regulatory barriers. Complex system of import and export regulations, including restrictions on certain items, which can be difficult to navigate.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, गोमंतक TV।